Video is out there, it's ubiquitous, it's in the marketplace. People watch video, they see video, they engage with video, and they understand video. The VCP Visual Communication Platform is really an innovative way for organizations to get a frequent and consistent message out to everybody.
This is a way to consistently get the same message out to an employee base of 15,000 people scattered all over the U.S.
When you have large-scale projects, it's difficult for every employee to understand what the management vision is for the project. Well, if you have a tool such as this, then you can communicate that, and you can communicate it often.
It's a powerful tool. You have your video crew on site that can cover any message, any topic, anytime.
If our CEO wants to say something, or if our safety head wants to talk about a process or something that impacts business immediately, we now will have the vehicle to get that message out.
Video makes a difference. Video is the difference when you're trying to make impactful messages.
Procedures and policies that you put in place can be communicated in the same manner that employees receive their information on a daily basis.
The videos are a tremendous value. Not only are our employees watching it and interacting, they're also involved and included in the videos.
It really is a simple idea that really gets people to feel a part of something.
It's a matter of making sure they heard the right message, and it's got to be told over and over and over again.
It is probably one of the most unique programs that any construction site has ever operated.
We now have the technology to bring video for what we need directly to people in a way they most embrace it, and they learn it, and they see it, and they retain it.